So in part B, we need to indicate quantities that we could plot to produce a linear graph whose slope can be used to determine the spring constant K of the spring. So what we need to remember here is that the formula for the period of a mass spring system is T is equal to 2 pi times root m over K. So if we want a linear relationship between T and m, well, currently it would be a quadratic relationship because it's equal to the square root of the mass. So what we can do is square both sides. So you get T squared is equal to 4 pi squared, and then multiplied with m over K. So, for example, we can plot T squared against m. So we can make, this is basically the form of an equation of a straight line, because here we have T squared is equal to 4 pi squared over K times m. This is a constant, and this can be our y variable, this can be our x variable, and this here will be the slope in that case. So on the vertical axis, we can plot T squared. On the horizontal axis, we can plot the mass. And well, for part 2, we have already briefly described how to find the slope. Basically, the slope would, well, it would be simply this 4 pi squared over K. This would be the slope, and from this we can determine the value of K.